Swimming pool liners with vertical stone design. Talking about how to work and to decorate home exterior, adding outdoor pool will be the most possible answer, and discuss about decorating the pool itself. Swimming pool liners will be the strongest opinion. Indeed, it is undeniable that pool needs to complete with liners so that it has a decorative border surrounding the pool. For inspiration, here we have 25 pictures to share. Deciding what sort of liners to employ, you need also consider your own budget, since different materials will drive you to different above-ground pool liners. For example, you will need more affordable cost when you install wooden board or tiles than the stone or even marble one. You can have the different or also the same material for the liners and the deck or flooring surrounding. For the simple but stunning look, the same material with different layout or pattern will be nice. For example, the stone-tiled floor and horizontal installment will be nice to match with the vertical stone liners. The liner's shape design will be based on the pool shape. Rectangular pool will have also rectangular liner. You can have them in short or wide based on your space. If you have more space to work, it is okay if you want wider liners and vice versa. You can also add decorative trims to strengthen them for more imposing look. You may also have these elements in diagonal design when you are to develop an artificial waterfall next to your pool. Then, for complete decor, you need to install decorative pool lighting. It can be right on the floor or liner, or under the water. At evening, when the lights are turned on, the appearance will be adorable. Then, it is also interesting for you to install decorative tiles of the pool base. The patterned flooring will offer you a stunning image. Considering all the decorations you want to invite, you should wisely manage the swimming pool liners cost so that your pool will be in the most possible captivating look.